Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Cat by Nagendra. So in this video we are going to create this part in SolidWorks. Now as you can see here, we are not having any isometric view. Only by using this 2D orthographic projections we should analyze this drawing and we should create 3D part modeling. Now as you can see, this center part we will consider as front view and this we will consider as top view. Why we need to consider this is only the front view and this is only the top view means always side views will be specified beside of front view, and when we are having two views one on each other like this up and down directions, so here one front view will be there, one top view will be there. Now as you can see, side views are beside this view, so this we will consider as front view. Then under this we are having this view, this we will consider as either front like top view or bottom view. Now to create this, as you can see, this shape we are having here. So in front view we are having curvature, but in top view we are not having any extra material. So this one we are having here width of 60 mm. But if you see these profiles, all dimensions for this we are having with diameters. So diameters is nothing but this shape is with circular shape and this is normally with extrude boss. Now just I'll enter into here new part. For example, on the front plane we'll go for sketch. So we will create this shape. For that just I'll create one center point rectangle here exactly from origin. Then one circle we want same exactly from this point like this. By using quick trim, just we can trim these unwanted elements. We don't want this here. Then by using smart dimension, dimension for curve we are having radius of 40. Then for this rectangle length we are having 160 from starting to ending, length of 160. Width we are having here, as you can see, this height is 60. This extra part will be exactly with the projection of this curve. So we need this height as 60 like this. Then if you want we can create this circle also at a time, or else later we can create by using hole option only. So later I am going to create hole. Then exit sketch, isometric, we'll make it extrude boss. We are going to use here mid plane. Same here, width also we need 60. Let me give here width of 60 and say okay like this. Then this side part and this side part, entire thing we are having with dimensions of diameters. So it is with circular shape. So in such conditions, instead of drawing one circle again extrude boss, again profile extrude boss, directly we can create this half section and we can make it here revolved boss. Now again I'll go for sketch on front plane, make it normal. So we need to create only this half section profile. I'll start from here, just this step we will draw. Exactly from this midpoint, one vertical line, then just this step will create horizontal, again vertical, again inclined straight to this point like this. One more vertical straight to that, again inclined parallel to that and straight to this. Then just will make it here close. Same like that, opposite side also we want, just we'll create this half section profile. Here also we'll start from midpoint straight to this like this. Then one more step here straight to this, just I'll create this profile in this way. Then by using here dimension, we'll specify dimensions here. As you can see, inside little diameter we are having here 20 for this hole. Then next to this we are having this profile. So after 20 we are having diameter of 30. So we will consider this as diameter of 30. Length we need here 15. Then again after 30 we are having 40. So after these lines, next lines we are having these ones. These two plus this one also we need diameter of 40. let's make it here 40 by 2, 20. Then add relation, this line and this line and this line should be straight. We'll make it here collinear. Then after 40 full, next we are having here these dimensions. As you can see, horizontally we are having 20, 25, 25. So this we need here 20. This we need here 25. Again next also we need here 25. Then these points will be moving here. So these points will be straight to this line. So just we'll make relation between all these 3 points. We'll make it here horizontal relation like this. Same here also. This point should be on this one. We'll make it here coincident. This point should be on this line. We'll make it here coincident. So straight to that it will be created. Same this side, we will provide horizontal dimensions 10, 25, 5, 10. First one we need here 10. Next we need here 25. Next we need here 5. Next we need here 10. Like this we need to provide all the dimensions. Then just we'll go here with exit sketch and we'll make it here revolve boss. So to make revolve boss, this line should be with construction. Let me convert into construction geometry. This one also construction geometry. Exit sketch, isometric. We will make it here revolve boss with reference to this central axis. Just I'll try to select this axis and sketches are this one and this one. So we have created like individual shapes or else just we can draw one single one. Let me create one construction line from this to this. So we will make rotation with reference to that central axis. So with this sketch we need to make here revolve boss with reference to this axis. Profile is this plus this. So at a time we are not able to get here. Just I'll try to edit this. I'll make it normal. This I'll convert into normal. I'll turn off construction. We will try in this way. So just this sketch. We need here revolve boss with reference to that central axis. Let's say okay. Properly material will be added with rotation here. Then last we are having here 2 holes. From side we are having diameter of 20. One hole we want diameter of 20, depth up to last. So here we need diameter of 20, depth up to last. You can make it here through all. Position we need from this face exactly at the center point. Just we can make it here fully defined. Let's say okay. Then one more hole we want here with a diameter of 60, exactly concentric to that existing circle. Hole we want diameter of 60. Position up to next or through all. Position we need on this face exactly from center point like this. Just we'll make here edit feature. So we need here depth through all. Just we'll make it through all. Properly material will be removed like this. Now if I keep it front view and we need to show that hidden edges, we can go here with display style. We can make it here hidden edges visible. As you can see properly that shape we are able to see here. Then by using Ctrl+5, if I keep it top view, we are able to see this proper shape. Then by using Ctrl+3, I'll make it here left side view. Then if I make it Ctrl+4, we are able to see right side view. So like this we are able to check either our part is correct or wrong, or else later we are going to do drafting for this. Then we are able to check either our part model is correct or wrong. So thanks for watching. Keep supporting. If any doubts you have regarding this, please let me know in comment box. And if you feel this video is useful and informative, please like the video, share to your friends to whom it will be useful. Thank you so much.